In this video, you'll learn how to use Firefly Boards with Photoshop, including how to send your files to Boards and how to bring variations back into the app. Let's start with a local PSD file. Go to File, then Open, and browse to open your Photoshop file. Remember to have it saved as a PSD file and not another file type. Once it's open, select Share, then Send to Firefly Boards. Photoshop will upload your file to Adobe Cloud as a cloud document. From there, you can choose an existing Boards file or create a new one. Select Open in Boards, and your file opens in Firefly Boards ready to explore. You can also get to Firefly Boards through the Export menu. Select File, then Export, then Send to Firefly Boards. This works for both local PSD files and cloud documents. Now, once you've explored ideas and created variations in Firefly Boards, you can bring any image back into Photoshop. In Firefly Boards, select the image you want, right-click it, and choose Open in Photoshop. The image opens as a new document ready for you to continue editing. We hope this helps you get started with Firefly Boards in Photoshop. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy editing!